Hi, listener. Thanks for coming. So what is this YouTube channel and podcast about? So you might have noticed that there's a lot of discord, a lot of conflict and division, a lot of separation globally. And this is a spiritual YouTube channel. I'm very much inspired by the Law of One and similar New Age ideas. And unity is a key principle that I believe in. Now, this is social unity, but it's also spiritual unity, a sort of unity consciousness. Now, most people for a long time have only opened their bottom three chakras, their root chakra, which is the red ray, the orange ray, and the yellow ray chakras. Now, these are important, don't get me wrong, but at most, they generally allow for empathy and love towards those in your group, but not so much towards those of other groups or humanity as a whole. That's something which the heart chakra is generally about, which most people don't struggle to open consistently. And what that means is there's a lack of empathy and a lack of unconditional love in this world. And we can see that very much so. And in fact, that's been very apparent for a long time. And this awakening is what it's about, is a raising awareness and a raising of frequency where people can open their heart chakra consistently and fully. And in that process, we can ascend to the fourth density or the fifth dimension. There's different ways of putting it. It's an ascension, essentially. And a key part of this is us coming together, working together, rather than being separate and in fear. Because a lot of us are ruled by fear, and fear and shame and guilt play a big role in how we develop our egos and how we're conditioned as a society growing up. So this is largely a healing process, a global healing process. Because in a sense, we're in a fallen state ever since the fall of Atlantis. So this is a journey from ideology to unity. Not just for you, but for me, because I'm not fully awakened necessarily at this point. I'm going through that process, and I would like to take others with me if I could. I used to be very ideological. I understand the ideological mindset, and I understand how divisive it is. I understand how divisive dogma is. And I feel like I have something to share about how we can move past that. So if you're interested, feel free to like and subscribe and listen to future videos. And if not, that's okay too. All right, thanks for listening. Bye.